If you need to move checks to a different employee account to combine or consolidate payroll checks, you can do so using the Move Payroll Checks tool from the Payroll Checks menu. On the menu, it's titled Move Checks to New Employee, but you can use this to move any checks from one employee account to another. For example, during our year-end review, I found that we have 2 Maria Gonzalez's, and they are actually the same person. Because most of the checks issued for Maria Gonzalez was on 110, I actually want to move all of the checks on 4598 to account 110. Before doing this, you want to review the accounts to see if any prior quarters will be affected. On the employee account, you can go to the archive file and locate the year and the quarters that were reported with those employee totals. So for example, this account 4598, I want to move these checks to my account 110 because this employee had wages in the prior year. We just got a duplicate account in this year. So we want to consolidate everything back to this original employee account. So before doing my move checks, what I want to do is go and look at the quarters and years or the quarters that the employee was reported. And I want to print out my quarter to date archive file report. And keep a copy of this. So that employee's wages were $3,277.50. This is what we're going to be moving to the other employee account. So when I file my DE9C, my correction, you'll need to put in these totals manually. So now I can go to the Move by Date option on my Move Payroll Checks window, put in the account that I want to move checks from, my date range, and the account that I want to move the checks to. Then after I move those, it'll give me a notice, those checks in the prior quarter, and it'll tell me which quarters have changed. So now I can go and I can run my quarter to date archive file report again. And now my totals have moved from one account to another, and I can again do my correction. Now you may also need to update the year-to-date wages in order to delete the employee file. So we can go on our payroll menu to fix employee totals and put in my year. And in this case, if I've archived, I need to update my archive file. If I haven't archived yet, I just need to fix my employee file. Once you have moved all of the checks off an employee account and there are no longer any archive records, you can go in and delete that employee. After deleting the employee, if that employee's Social Security number was the correct number, you can go ahead and correct the number on the account you moved the checks to.